Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Parity 24-hour leather task chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, a pair of arms, mechanism, gas strut, 5-star spider base, 5 casters, 4 20mm bolts, 8 25mm bolts, 4 45mm bolts, 1 large Allen key and 1 small Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, attach the arms using the 8 25mm bolts. Each arm is marked underneath with either L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. Do not fully tighten the bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now, secure the mechanism to the bottom of the seat with the 4 20mm bolts, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat pad. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Then, securely fix the back to the seat using the 4 45mm bolts. When all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Parity 24-hour leather task chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.